Hi, I'm Jenny, the Chief Branding Officer at Tundra Gear, and we believe music should be heard and not seen. As runners who love listening to music, we felt none of the headphones on the market were designed specifically with moving in mind. So we created the Tundra Band. It's a fully integrated headphone system inside this ultra-slim headband. The Tundra Band rests comfortably on top of your ears so you can remain aware of your surroundings while you enjoy your tunes. Music to your ears, right? So let's talk specs. Our Bluetooth speakers and built-in mic are top of the line with a massive 30-foot range and are perfect for listening to music or talking on the phone. And they're only 8mm thick compared to other more bulky and expensive options on the market. They have a battery life of up to 60 hours standby time with more than 8 hours playtime, so you're more likely to wear out before this headband does. And finally, the headband itself is made from a washable athletic fabric that wicks away sweat and stays in place no matter what you're doing. Last year, we released our very popular Bluetooth beanie, and we have strong relationships with our manufacturers, so we can get things moving very quickly. With your help, we can afford to produce these at an amazing price, pass the savings to you, and get these on the ears of our early backers before Christmas. And here's where we need your help. First of all, back us and get one for yourself. Second, if you know someone else who would love this too, get one for them as well. And finally, help us get the word out by sharing this video. So, are you in? Then join us in bringing Tundra Bands to life and music to your ears.
It all started with you. In 2015, we launched our original Kickstarter campaign for Hight Runner 270 shoe lights. Since then, Hight Runner has kept more than 30,000 people safe and injury-free in 41 countries. We have been featured on Shark Tank, Innovation Nation, Good Morning America, and 80 other media outlets.
Hi, my name is Chris Trim, and I am the proud owner of 2 pairs of Hight Runner 270 shoe lights.
Scott from Virginia Beach here. Joined you guys on the Kickstarter campaign, so I got the first ones for the Kickstarter guys. Loved them.
Hi, I'm Heather, and I've been using and in love with my Hight Runner 270s for about 2 years. Saw them when they first came on the market, got a pair, and immediately started using them.
Over the past 2 years, we have listened to our customers around the globe that love Hight Runner but want even more. We heard you and have responded with a more rugged, energy-efficient, Bluetooth-connected model for running, hiking, camping, or any other adventure you can imagine. You are the ones that made Hight Runner what it is today, and we are excited to go back to our roots with the new Hight Runner Pro. Hight Runner Pro offers double the illumination and battery life of the original Hight Runner and is Bluetooth connected. With an output of 300 lumens and more than 10 hours of battery life, the Pro is guaranteed to light your way no matter your adventure. The Pro is Bluetooth connected, provides visual flash alerts, and allows you to pre-program distance, pace, and time alerts so that you can stay immersed in your activity. Adventure is defined as an exciting or remarkable experience. Kickstarter got us started on this journey, and we want you to be part of our next adventure. Adventure more with Hight Runner Pro.
$700 million of us run, but most of us don't achieve the performance we're capable of. Through lack of feedback to preventable injuries, we coach you to get the best out of your run. Meet RUNVI, your next-generation running wearable. 32 sensors measure your activity where it happens, driving audio and visual feedback in real time. RUNVI analyzes your running technique and coaches you towards a better running performance. There's no visible or bulky clip-ons to compromise your training or style. RUNVI fits into your regular running shoes, so you'll forget they're even there. The Live View gives you more control over your movement. Run a baseline, and RUNVI will tailor a training plan to your individual technique.
Hi Mo, today we'll work on reducing your impact. Let's go.
RUNVI builds a complete profile of your biomechanics, bringing the advanced metrics out of the lab and into your running shoes.
Your power is too high for this speed.
RUNVI features power measurement, guiding you to run further and faster. RUNVI recognizes when you're close to fatigue or injury
Warning, hard impact detected.
and gives simple, actionable feedback for immediate improvement.
Take quieter steps and straighten your back. Great, let's keep this going.
Here in this laboratory, we have very precise methods to capture the movement of runners. At the same time, we can measure the forces that are acting on their bodies, and when we combine these information, we can use computer models to measure the loading experienced by their muscles, their tendons, and their bones. From this, we can give very precise information regarding their running technique, the footwear that they should use, or additional workouts that are needed to keep them healthy. The idea with the sole was to get a similar product and make that available to runners during every run they perform. The sole makes the latest innovations in training science and running biomechanics easily accessible to you. You can science up your running technique.
As you progress through your training plan, it continuously optimizes with your improvements, focusing on the goals and metrics that matter to you.
Great run today, Mo. Your impact has reduced and your training plan has been optimized.
RUNVI is ready to hit the ground running. Back us on Kickstarter today so you can experience the running performance you're truly capable of.
What if there was one number that could help you run better? Meet Stryd, the first wearable device to give runners a way to measure and train with the only objective measure of performance, power.
In cycling, power has become the definitive measure for understanding intensity and work done because it's a true mechanical representation of what's happened.
By measuring power, Stryd enables a runner to properly gauge their training intensity to ensure that they're training appropriately to see maximal improvement.
Invented by Princeton engineers and tested in one of the world's top sports performance labs, Stryd is being called a breakthrough for running and a perfect recipe for improvement.
Stryd uses patent-pending sensing technologies to track a runner's motion through 3D space and high resolution. We also track the environmental conditions you're running through, and from that, we calculate your running power. With Stryd, for the first time, runners can actually measure their running efficiency. and they can uncover ways of running faster without actually running harder. Power is the only accurate and predictable measure of workout intensity. With Stryd, runners can guarantee perfect pacing on any workout, in any race, across any terrain.
The great thing about Stryd is you just clip it on and go. There's not even an on-off switch. It automatically syncs up with all the devices you already use to train, and when you get home, you can look at all your data on your PC or your laptop and learn all about your run.
I think Stryd is really going to revolutionize the way you train for running. It gives you information that you never have had access to before.
And you can use pace and you can use heart rate, but it's, you know, they're not great metrics. At the end of the day, that's what I want to see, is my power number.
The bottom line is this: Stryd is a game changer in the running world. Not only does it give you all of the information you can traditionally get from a stopwatch or a GPS unit, but it also gives you all of the forces associated with that run, giving you a complete picture of what's happening when you train.
As a coach, I've seen technology change how athletes train. Better measurements bring better performance.
Stryd's just the beginning. When you back us on Kickstarter, you join this amazing community of people who really love running, from some of the most elite athletes in the world to regular runners just like me. We want to help people run faster, we want to help people run smarter, we want to help people run better.
Stryd, running with power.